Excellence is nothing but to do a common thing in a most uncommon way. And everybody, we have tried to do that. We learned so many things, but we unlearned it and we put it into practical use, where we overcome so many inhibitions, so many kind of fears that always brought us down. And now I see a lot of guests here, we can understand how everybody goes through this, and you will also be able to go through this and come out in shining colors in your personal life, professional life. Now there are a few announcements before I close this meeting. I would call upon our treasurer, Ratan Shetty, to have the announcement of the renewal of fees.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Good evening. Dear fellow members, it's payment of dues time. Just to tell you how the process works. We have, for the payment of dues, the dues are collected 2 times in the year. They are collected for the April to September term, and then they are collected from October to March. So, presently I am talking about April to September, for which the due date is 15th of March. And why we need to submit the dues on time is so that we are eligible for any club contests, so that we are also eligible for any educational rewards like a CC, and also so that our club gets the DCB points or the Distinguished Club points. Now the process is that you have to make either a transfer by NEFT, or you can give the check or cash to either me or the VP membership, which is Venugopal, or the associate VP membership, if Uma Shankar would please raise your hand. So Venugopal is not here today, so the payment has to be made to any 3 of us, any one of us, or you can do it by NEFT. I will send a mail to all the members giving the details if you want to do an NEFT transfer. The last date is March 15, and the smooth running of your club is in your hands. So let's make the payments in time, our payments in time. That's all.
Thank you, Ratan. A few announcements. We are going to have a storytelling workshop to be conducted by Dr. Geeta next week. She's a famous storyteller and she conducts a lot of workshops all around the country, and she's also a TEDx speaker. So please take the benefit of this workshop, and I'm urging you to come in large numbers and attend this meeting. That's on the 28th next week that we are having. Then we are going to celebrate the Women's Day on the March 7th meeting, and I request all the male members also to come with their spouses, and all the ladies to come and come with your friends and invite your other fellow members from the other clubs, so then we can have a very special meeting celebrating the Women's Day. And we are trying to get in touch with a couple of personalities who can come and address the special meeting on that day. We will be we'll be informing you that next week. Then the fees renewal, as Mr. Ratan said, please keep it in mind so that we will be able to have the payments done to the Toastmaster International in time, so that we do not default in any way. Till now we have maintained that record. Help us to do that so in the coming days. And Mr. VPPR Moidin will be out of station for about 3 weeks. In his place, you can always send in your any request or any kind of information you want, either to me or to Raj Mittal, and you can get the information. With that, I would end the I've finished with the announcement. Now I'll finish announce the awards for today's meeting. the best speaker of the day, Toastmaster Avinash. The best evaluator, DTM, Madam Sumitra Manna. The best table topic speaker goes to Toastmaster Vijayanand. We have some other awards for the best role taker, the Toastmaster of the day, JG.
Thank you.
We also have another award, another from the tag team. We have Mr. Umakant.
Wow.
With that, we come to the end of the meeting. I adjourn the meeting. Have a nice weekend and drive home safely.